Hi my love, welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're completely new. Hi, my name is Elena. I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope you stick around. So today's video is in partnership with Linjer. Linjer is a brand that is super dear to my heart and I have actually collaborated with them already on my YouTube channel a couple of times. They're actually celebrating their 9-year anniversary and it's such an exciting time for them and I wish them all the success in the world. So to celebrate their 9-year anniversary, they're doing a massive sale on their solid gold pieces. And they sent me a couple of pieces that I really want to share with you. I already have so many of their gold vermeil pieces which I have worn so much over the past few months and they have lasted so incredibly well and I'm really pleased with them. So if you're not already familiar with Linjer, they're a female founded brand and their mission is to empower women around the world with their luxe jewelry pieces at affordable prices. They are a direct to consumer brand, which means that they sell their products directly to consumers online, and by doing so they're able to cut out any unnecessary costs or crazy markups that you might see with traditional retailers. Because they are able to keep their costs low, they usually charge around half of the prices that you might see in other traditional retailers, which is super good. I actually won't do too much of an unboxing experience because I have done this in the past, so if you're interested to see the whole unboxing experience and what it's like purchasing from them, then I'll leave linked on the screen some of the previous videos that I've done and I'll also leave them linked in the description section down below. So let me show you the solid gold pieces that I purchased from them. So they come in this gorgeous little velvet blue pouch. It's this gorgeous midnight blue and I absolutely love it. The previous ones that I've had came in a pink pouch, however this one is midnight blue. Midnight blue is a color that I absolutely love. So with solid gold pieces, they are in a league of their own. They're very luxurious and they're meant to last you a lifetime because the material is so durable. They're the kind of pieces that you can just put on and forget about them. The pieces from Linjer, the solid gold pieces, are actually 100% recycled gold, which is amazing in terms of sustainability. They're also hypoallergenic and nickel free, so that means if you have any form of allergies, these are going to be perfect because they won't create any itchiness, so that's great. So the first pieces that I picked up, they initially come in this plastic pouch, which I think is great because they keep them protected, so you know they're going to be really well kept while they travel on their way to you. And also you can use this to keep them at home if you want to protect them even further. I'll also insert close-ups because these pieces of jewelry and solid gold in general, solid gold jewelry is fine jewelry, so it's really hard to see exactly what they would look like from far away, so I will insert some close-ups. But these gorgeous earrings are the first pieces that I picked up. So these are the 14 karat gold rice pearl huggy earrings. The name of this is Juliet. One thing I love about solid gold jewelry is that it has such an elegant and soft hue, which is gorgeous. Sometimes gold vermeil can tend to be a tiny bit more kind of on the yellow side, but these solid gold pieces, the color on them is absolutely gorgeous. Let me put them on. Like I was saying, these pieces, when you purchase them, they're not meant to be trend pieces. I think these are products that you can honestly pass down to generations. So these are the gorgeous Juliet earrings. These pieces are the kind of pieces that are timeless, and when you invest in something like this, they are the perfect example of elegance, timeless, quiet luxury. These are not pieces that you buy based on trends. These are pieces that will last you a lifetime. Like I said, they're very durable. They're 14 karat solid gold and the pearls are freshwater pearls. They are absolutely gorgeous. I'm actually on holiday in Mykonos right now, so I cannot tell you the prices in pounds, but you can kind of judge what it would be. So on Linjer, these retail for 305 euros, but their actual estimated retail price is 577. Plus, with a discount code, you actually get a really good price. I absolutely love the look of them. If you have seen some of my videos on my YouTube channel, then you know I'm obsessed with pearls. And these are the kind of pieces that are very quiet and timeless. But when you wear something like this, I just think they look so elegant and luxurious. These are definitely the kind of pieces that I will reach for all the time, especially on an everyday basis, because they're so durable and they look so understated. I think these are fabulous. I think sometimes with statement pieces, they're great, but they can definitely be trend driven, and I feel like something like this is just super classic and timeless. Next, I got a beautiful ring, and it actually comes in this gorgeous brown jewelry box. So I've never had one of these boxes from them actually, so maybe it's something that they provide with their gold pieces. But I picked up a ring, and this ring, I have wanted this style ever since I got to know about Linjer. This ring is absolutely beautiful. So this is the ring. Like I said, I will insert close-ups just so you can see exactly what it looks like, but this is the ring. So this gorgeous ring is called the Freya ring, and it's got 7 lab-grown diamonds, and it's also 14 karat gold band. I mean, it's very delicate as you can see, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I actually kind of want to wear this as my engagement ring sometimes because I think it's absolutely stunning. This is super delicate and fine, but whenever you put it on, it just looks like such an elegant and refined piece. And another thing that I absolutely love about Linjer diamonds in particular is that they only use lab-grown diamonds, which I'm not sure if you're aware, but lab-grown diamonds are actually guaranteed conflict-free, and they look exactly like mine diamonds, but from a more sustainable perspective, they are guaranteed conflict-free. If you have never seen the movie Blood Diamonds, then I would highly suggest watching it, because sometimes there is a lot of child labor involved, and I think ever since watching that documentary, or actually I think it's a movie, I don't think I would ever want to purchase mine diamonds, but that's just a personal choice. So I think it's incredible that their diamonds are actually guaranteed conflict-free and they are lab-grown. Diamonds and solid gold pieces in general are more on the premium kind of luxurious end of the spectrum of jewelry, so the prices can tend to be a bit more premium. So this one retails for 1,118 euros from what I can see on the website now, but the estimated retail value is actually 2,589. So I feel like, especially with the sale, you're getting a really good deal. And like I said, with these, there are pieces that you buy for a lifetime. They're definitely not pieces that you just buy for a year or two and you can wear them all the time. However, if you feel like these pieces might be a bit more out of your budget, they also provide gold vermeil pieces and sterling silver, which like I said I also have, and they are such good materials as well, and they're a tiny bit more affordable. This is the epitome of elegance and understated luxury. I absolutely love it. And last but not least, I have this Athena gold chain necklace, which is super fine and delicate, absolutely gorgeous. So it's got 1 lab-grown diamond right here, which is very small and delicate, but this is a fine piece of jewelry, so it's understandable. I really like that this is super understated. So let me put it on, and like I said, I will insert close-up videos. So the Athena necklace also comes in this gorgeous velvet blue pouch, this gorgeous midnight blue, and all the pieces of jewelry actually come with one of these leaflets that talks about sustainability, the materials, and a lot more useful information that you can read in there. It actually says enjoying the finer things. This necklace is definitely fine. It's probably quite difficult to say it just because it's so fine, but I will insert close-up so you can see the beauty of this product. I feel like sometimes less is definitely more, and I feel like that's the case with this jewelry. It's the kind of jewelry that you can barely tell that I have on, but it's very delicate and elegant, and I feel like that's what timeless classic fashion is all about. So I definitely love these pieces. Like I said, they're very different to your kind of statement bold pieces that a lot of trends tend to show nowadays. But when you invest in something like this, because I think they're definitely investment pieces, you want something that is going to stand the test of time and that it's always going to be in. And I feel like these pieces are the kind of pieces that are always going to be in. Like I said, I understand these pieces can be on the more premium budget, however they do have so many other pieces that are sterling silver or gold vermeil, and I have so many of those pieces, and those are gorgeous quality at much more affordable prices as well. I also have a 25% discount code if you're interested to use it while they have a sale going on their solid gold pieces and diamond as well. So the discount is Elena25, and I'll make sure to leave it on the screen and in the description section down below if you want to take advantage of that while they have a sale going on their solid gold. I will also link some of the previous videos that I've done with them if you want to check them out to see what I picked up, the unboxing experience, and how I got on with the pieces. I'll leave them on the screen and in the description section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Until next time, take care and bye for now.